Hi there friends, welcome to Healthcare Products YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss very important and serious matter, that is the laws and measures of lockdown imposed by Government of India and Government of Assam due to the coronavirus pandemic. So the most important thing that we have to think right now is why we are afraid of coronavirus. Are we afraid of coronavirus because of the media are frightening us, or all the people of the world and country are afraid of this, that is why we are also afraid of this? Or is there any other valid reason of fearing this? Actually, the information on the basis of which we are scaring is not a complete information. It is an incomplete information. Once we get the crystal clear information on it, we'll come to understand very clearly what is happening in fact, and most probably our fear of coronavirus will be mitigated or completely disappear. Now the current situation of coronavirus in India and Assam is, till today, at the time of recording this video, the total cases of coronavirus in India is 5,85,792, and out of this number only 17,410 people have been killed. So the mortality rate is only nearly 3%. Talk about the Assam. Till today, the cases of coronavirus in Assam is 8,408. I repeat the figure, 8,408. And till today, only 12 people have been killed by the coronavirus. And out of these 12 people, one has been migrated to another state. So, let us take 12 number of people have been killed. So, the mortality rate is only 0.14. So, the mortality rate is very low compared to other deadly disease and infectious disease. Now, if I ask someone, why are you afraid of coronavirus? Definitely he or she will reply, the death rate, the mortality rate is much more. I will further ask him or her, how much is the death rate? Definitely reply will be 17,410 people have been killed out of 8,85,792. That means what? The mortality rate is only about 3%. We have to observe the mortality rate only. Only 3% have been killed. That means 3 persons are killed in every 100 cases. So as the mortality rate is extremely low, so what is there to be afraid of it? On the other hand, the mortality rate of other deadly disease or even the mortality rate of road accident in India is more than the mortality rate of coronavirus, according to some renowned physicians or Sandeep Maheshwar, the motivational speaker of India. But we are not declaring strict lockdown for the other deadly disease or road accident where more people are being killed, or the mortality rate of other deadly disease or the mortality rate of road accident are much more than the rate of coronavirus disease. But we are not declaring strict lockdown for all these things. Very interesting and funny. Interestingly, we are knowingly lowering the economic condition of our country, where the Indian economy is currently not a developed one compared to other countries, but we are further worsening it. Interestingly, we are knowingly lowering the economic condition of our country, where the economic condition of India is currently not a developed one compared to other countries, but we are knowingly worsening the condition of economy in India by declaring strict lockdown in the entire country. Now what I want to say is that if someone is tested positive, he or she should be provided proper treatment of COVID-19. But it should not be sure that other people who don't have any symptom of coronavirus, he or she should not be tested. Because how many people can be tested in this way? Out of 130 crore people, it's not possible. It is just a waste of time and money. And it is just a way of lowering the Indian economic condition. But those people who feel themselves being affected by the coronavirus will go for a test. And if they are tested positive, they should be provided proper treatment. as we do in the case of other deadly and infectious diseases. But actually all other people who don't have any symptoms of coronavirus should not be tested, because there are lots of people in the country. There are 130 crore people in the country. How many people can be tested in this way? No need to search for people to test COVID-19 people where we cannot see any symptom of COVID-19. There are many other infectious diseases like COVID-19, like cholera, TB, dengue, Ebola, HIV, etc. But we are not searching people to test for this disease as we are doing in the case of coronavirus. Because who is affected and who is not affected, this is not a matter. We should not search for these persons to test for this disease, because the person who is affected by this disease or any kind of disease, he or she will definitely go to the hospital and will be treated. So we should not search for this person who is affected by what kind of disease. Any person who is affected by any kind of disease will definitely go to the hospital and will be treated. There is nothing to create panic among the people. It is just wastes of time and money. And most of the time, no symptom is seen in the corona affected persons. And it is known that from some renowned physicians, most of the time, coronavirus disease, COVID-19 is cured itself also, according to some renowned physicians and doctors. So we can say our economy is being worsened not by the coronavirus, but by the fear we create ourselves to us. This is also true that coronavirus is killing less number of people, whereas the fearness caused by the coronavirus is killing more and more people. I am observing a very funny thing nowadays which is going on. Each and every people nowadays who are driving two-wheeler are wearing mask but not wearing helmet. This is very funny actually. They don't understand that not wearing helmet is more risky than the coronavirus at the time of driving two-wheeler. Really ridiculous. And this is the fear we create ourselves. Our media are creating. No one of us doesn't have proper and complete information of it. No one of us doesn't have a proper calculation of it. And this kind of calculation that we are carrying out now is called mathematical modeling. We are just drawing a hypothetical conclusion on the basis of incomplete information, where the mortality rate is only about 3% in India, 3% in India, and only 0.14% in Assam. So what is there to be afraid of it? So what is there to create panic among the people? There is nothing. Just think of it. Is there any other issue which we ought to fear and ought not to fear? We are fearing the issue which we ought not to fear. There are some other issues I want to take which is very serious and we ought to fear. That is unemployment. Last year I got to read an article in the newspaper. Some 13 crore people have been unemployed in the country. I am not sure about the figure. Be afraid of this 13 crore figure, not the coronavirus. Because if these 13 crore people have been unemployed, it will impact our society. It will impact our country. It will impact the economic condition of our country. So think about that. Be afraid of this 13 crore figure. I am not sure about this 13 crore figure. I got this in a newspaper in the last year. We are focusing more on that which is less risky and focusing less on that which is more risky. So this kind of strict lockdown is nothing in fact except saving the lives of those 1.5 crore people who annually loses their life in road accident. Because I got this data in the internet that 1.5 crore people annually lose their lives in the road accident. At least due to the strict lockdown, the lives of those people have been saved and nothing else. Nothing is benefited from this strict lockdown except saving the lives of those people. So what we have to do is to find out a valid reason, complete and proper information, and provide the proper treatment to the coronavirus affected persons, but not to create panic among the people, among the common people. Yes, of course, directions should be given to the common people on coronavirus that take safety measures, preventive measures, take precautions, maintain social distance, etc., etc. But information should be spread as well to the common people, that never be afraid of it to such an extent that you are now, and never be panic to such an extent as you are now, because the mortality rate of coronavirus is extremely low. Only the fairness of coronavirus is killing the people. The coronavirus is killing the people in a less number, but large number of people are being killed by the fairness of coronavirus only. But coronavirus is killing less number of people, but the fairness of coronavirus in fact is killing more and more people in the world and in the country, in our state. Where in India only 3% of all the total cases have been killed, and in Assam only 0.14% have been killed out of total cases. So there is nothing to be afraid of it. There is nothing to create panic among the people. Yes, there is coronavirus. Some people have been affected. Some people are being affected. Yes, there is nothing to be. Just provide the proper treatment to those people who are affected, and nothing else. There is nothing to create panic. But if this is not done, the problem will not be solved in the field of economy. Now the goal of the government should be how to get rid the people of the present situation of fear. The government should decrease the test of COVID-19 so that the cases are not increased, because the more you test, the more positive cases you will get. And it is known that there are different kinds of cases: serious cases, moderate cases, mild cases. And it is known that some kind of cases like moderate cases and mild cases can be cured itself without treatment. And the government should get ready for the serious cases so that the serious cases can be treated very properly with proper channel. Then the number of cases of coronavirus will decrease and shown in the newspapers, telecasts on the screens of televisions, etc. And in this way, the number of cases of coronavirus will decrease and shown in the newspapers and telecasts on the screens of television, that the number of cases of COVID-19 are decreasing day by day, instead of a daily news like the highest number of cases of COVID-19 reported today, etc., etc. In this way, we have to spread the message to the common people and make the people aware of it. Then only the common people will be out of fear and panic. That's all. Thank you so much. See you next.